Hello, my fellow treasure hunters. You know how much we love finding forgotten gems, bringing new life to old things. We transform spaces, find fashion, but today, the magic isn't just for us. It's for our furry best friend, Jack. That's right. Our beloved companions who bring so much joy into our lives deserve a little sparkle too. But let's be honest, pet supplies can be a lot. And while they're perfectly pampered already, we thought, why not see if we could find some thrift magic at red, white, and blue to give their little worlds a makeover? On a budget, of course. This is where the real hunt begins. We're not just looking for pet stuff. We're looking for potential pet Halloween costumes. And I think I found the one. A pumpkin outfit. Will it fit? What are your thoughts? Cute? Could this be the next outfit? And surprisingly affordable. This is exactly what we mean by thrift magic. If you love seeing Jack's thrift transformation, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more budget-friendly thrifting.